So you don't think it's possible to get bouncy, defined and moisturized curls at the same time? Tighten your seatbelts and get ready to be proved wrong.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Spiralazy. I'm Sneha and today I'm going to be reviewing the products from a brand called Fix My Curls. This is an Indian brand which caters to curly hair and wavy hair. The brand launched its products in July or August 2019, which was last year, and it's been more than 6 months since I've been trying and testing out these products in different conditions to now finally give you my verdict. I ordered the entire bundle, which consists of 5 products, and along with that came this pamphlet which has instructions on how to use each and every product, about the brand story, and back here is about the founder.
This clip was recorded about 6 months before I gave my final results. These are my first impressions, and later you'll see that I experimented with the quantities and also not using all the products in the bundle to suit my hair. I start by wetting my hair in the shower.
So now that my hair is wet, I'll be using Squeaky.
This shampoo has a runny consistency and is clarifying in nature. I am now going to take it in my palms and going to massage it into my scalp nicely. I'm now adding some water to the shampoo to make it lather more. I did not dilute this shampoo with water as I was using it for the first time and I was not sure whether it would work or not. But whenever you're using CG friendly shampoos, dilute it in water, rather any shampoo, just dilute it in water, 2 parts water, 1 part shampoo, and that way you will use less and it won't dry out your scalp. After massaging the shampoo for a good minute or two, I'll be rinsing it off with normal temperature water. That's what I use. I don't use hot or cold water, just room temperature.
And the second product I have here is the Evermore shampoo. This is actually not a shampoo, but it's a co-wash. So this will bring back all the moisture that was lost while you cleansed your hair with this Squeaky shampoo.
If you have a normal to oily scalp, just like mine, you could definitely do without this product. I mean, you don't need to follow it up after Squeaky, but if you have a dry scalp, it would be great. And you can see the runny consistency that it has. I would suggest you to apply it only near your scalp, not on your ends, because this is more like a co-wash. Now I'm adding some water to make it lather better. If you're using a co-wash, you should always add some water to make it lather. And now I've massaged it and I'm rinsing it off with water.
The third step, which is Mellow.
This is their deep conditioner, and you can also use this as a normal conditioner, rinse off conditioner, or a leave-in. I'm raking the product through my hair. Now this has, I would say, a medium slip. It's not amazing and it's not bad. It's a little thin, so you might imagine it to be a little less moisturizing, but yeah, as you see in the end, this leaves my hair absolutely soft and smooth. I kept the deep conditioner for about 25 minutes and now I'm rinsing it off with water. You can see those clumps forming already because my hair is so moisturized.
Next we have Stay.
This is their leave-in cream or leave-in conditioner. It's very important if you have curly hair that you use a leave-in conditioner. It will hydrate your curls and at the same time it will make your curls moisturized and they'll stay that way until you next wash them.
And I'll just rake in the leave-in in my hair. Only one downside to this leave-in is that it completely vanishes in my hair and I don't know how much to use.
But don't worry, later in the video I'll be showing you a new and improved version of this leave-in cream which solves the problem. I'm adding some more water to make my hair dripping wet. This is the last and final product, Place, the defining hair gel. This has a thick consistency and you won't need much, around 4 to 5 pumps for medium length hair.
I'll just use praying hands motion.
My hair is still dripping wet and now I'm scrunching the excess water and product out of my hair. You could hear the scrunching sound, and that is exactly what you need, and that means that you have enough product in your hair. I'll be using a turban towel to plop my hair. This one is by Elle Urban Essentials. I also showed this in my last video. I absolutely love it and I've been using this since a very long time. So these are my results after I used the products for the first time. They are moisturized, they have protein, but somehow they lack that bounce and feel a little weighed down. That is because the older version of the Stay cream was a little bit heavy for my hair, and also my hair did not need co-wash. But at least try a product 3 to 4 times before jumping to conclusions. You can see later in the video that I have made some improvements and how better my hair looks. I'll now be sharing my final thoughts on the products one by one.
This is Squeaky, the cleansing shampoo. Now this is very versatile. If I use 4 to 5 pumps without pre-pooing my hair, or when I feel like my hair is not very dirty or oily, it would cleanse my scalp, not leave it dry. This is by far one of the best CG shampoos that I've used because I have a slightly oily scalp, so co-washes by themselves don't work for me. I need to use good cleansing shampoos. This one lathers nicely. So if you're someone who has a dry scalp, try diluting it with water. That would make it more milder for you. Coming to the second product, which is Evermore, their everyday moisture shampoo. Now this one can be used with the Squeaky shampoo, and I really like this idea by the brand. They've introduced the concept of double cleansing. Like we double cleanse our skin, we should double cleanse our scalp as well, and that has been a very important part of my routine these days. You don't need a lot, like probably 4 to 5 pumps, and after you've rinsed out a Squeaky, you can just take this and apply it to your scalp. Even with this, I felt like it was better when I diluted this with water, so it would spread more and I would use less. Now this isn't a very lightweight product. This has oils and butters, so if I use too many pumps, it does make my hair very moisturized, and I don't like that feeling. My hair gets weighed down very easily, and I cannot use this by itself. For me, it's too much and it doesn't cleanse. Like my scalp would feel okay for a day or maybe 2, but day 3 it'll start getting itchy. So the combination of both these products is very good for me, but using this by itself does not work for me. If you're someone who swims, you're a swimmer, you can definitely go for this. I have used this only by itself when I was swimming. So then it did work out for me because the chlorine in the water really dries out your hair. So this might work for you. The third product, which is Mellow. This is a 3-in-1 product. This is a conditioner, a leave-in conditioner and a deep conditioner. Now I personally like to use it as a deep conditioner. I apply about 7 to 8 pumps approximately, and I apply a heat cap that always gives me better results, and keep it on for about 20-25 minutes and I rinse it off. On to Stay, which is the leave-in cream. You could see the older version of it. I've sold off the older version. It did not work for my hair. It was thinner in consistency, and it had more oils than butters, which is exactly the difference between the new and old one. So this is Stay, their new and improved version of Stay. Now I bought it in the travel size because I wanted to be sure if it works for me or not. Let me show you the texture of this cream. So as you can see, it is not as viscous as the older formulation. This one has more butters and less oils. So I like this better, and yes, I would definitely repurchase this. This is much more lightweight and I feel like it does not vanish as much as the older one did. This has more slip and that feel. I need to add a lot of water though to make the product work. It would take someone who is using this for the first time a few tries to figure out how much they need for their hair. I use about 2 coin-sized amounts for my entire hair. Now coming to the last but my favorite product, which is Glaze, their gel, and this is just so good. Again, a very versatile product. With Glaze, I use about 4 to 5 pumps if I want a soft hold, and if I want a hard or medium hold, then what I do is I use this master's technique. I dry my hair 50% and then I take 4 more pumps of this and apply it in my hair. I apply it on my hair in praying hands motion and then I let it dry. So that actually gives me a cast. If you use it, if you use only about 4 pumps and like scrunch it out with a t-shirt or a towel, you would not get a cast. That's what I felt. But with this master's technique, I would get a really good cast, and that's my favorite way of using Glaze. I've also used this to refresh my hair, but only when my hair is not feeling super dry. Because if my hair is feeling dry, I prefer to use a leave-in to refresh my hair. And again, this is the only protein gel that has worked for my hair. I've used other gels as well. I've used Bounce Curl Gel, I've used Diva Curl Gel, I've used Eco Styler. So this one did work for me. It has the perfect balance. I have not SOTC'd my hair till now. I want to show you guys how the Stay Cream works as something you could use to SOTC your hair. I am going to be taking about this much. I'm gonna just spread it on my hands, and with praying hands, I'm gonna break the cast. I'm gonna fluff my hair a little bit. I also ordered this travel kit. As you can see, I have all 5 products with me. Now this is a must-have. I would recommend you try the travel size first before buying the bigger bottles. This has a cap and this has a squeezing mechanism, which is good, and it does not leak. It's tight. It has all the ingredients mentioned. It has even the instructions on how to use this, and they are color coded. The only con that I feel about these products is people with very fine hair, thin hair, should be very careful with it.
For my hair personally, I think I would have liked the deep conditioner Mellow to be a tad bit thicker and it could have a little more slip. If my hair is feeling very dry, I have to use more than 7 to 8 pumps. And second, Stay, the leave-in cream. I would have loved if it would have been more lightweight. As I mentioned earlier, people with fine hair, wavy hair, and whose hair gets weighed down very easily might find it very tricky to use, and I would have loved more slip in the product. I'm happy with the other 3 products, and again, remember, what might work for my hair might not work for your hair, and vice versa.
I would really recommend this to anyone who has curly hair or wavy hair.
If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, comment below any suggestions or queries. I would be forever grateful if you would subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!